thumb button. Wrist rest does not support the wrist. Trigger has a long travel, but is very wobbly left to right. The hat stick is pure plastic and digs into your hand. The bottom button, I really need to arch my thumb. The thumb rest is way too high, as you can see here. I have to move my thumb up. The buttons are angled the wrong way and my shortest finger has to reach forward. Joystick is angled forwards. Wrist rest is where wrist is. Has thumb button. Trigger is immediate. All buttons within reach of thumb. Hat stick was there. Hat stick has silicone on top of it for grip.